Hello, I am Imran, engineer at Stelar. So today I will explain to you how you can use our instrument SMARtracer to perform NMRD experiments. The first thing to do is to always make sure that your sample is in the correct position. So we have this tool at SMARtracer. You have to make sure that the sample which you are measuring is exactly at center, which you can verify from this slide. Today, for our demonstration purposes, the sample which we will use is our standard sample, and this is 2 millimolar manganese chloride in 0.1% of HCl. So once we are sure that our sample is in the correct position, we will put it here, and then we will go to our software where we will perform our NMRD profile and other important analysis. So I will take you to our software and we will continue from there. So when our sample is in the instrument, the next thing which we have to do is to access Storm6 software. And to do this, you have to use our PC, which is provided with this SMARtracer instrument. You have to log in to your Storm6 account with the credentials which we will provide you with instrument. And then from there, you will, the first page which you will see is your workspace. And from there, we can perform different kind of experiments. In order to perform experiments, the best thing is to make sure that your instrument is in resonance. And to get resonance condition, you have to make sure all parameters are correct. Once those parameters are correct, then you can perform a simple experiment which we call non-polarized NP sequence. And the next step which we will do is to perform an angle sequence. From here, we will get the correct PW90 value of our instruments. Once the instrument is in resonance, you got the correct PW90 values. The next thing to do is to open a simple NPS experiment or PPS experiments if you want to measure the T1 value of your sample, or you need to perform an NMRD profile. As you can see here, we have performed NPS on our instrument, and if we press evaluate, we will know this is a T1 value of our sample at 8 megahertz of relaxation field with these parameters which are related to our sample. Then the next step is to do a profile wizard. Here we can synchronize with all the parameters which we have used earlier. Then we can select our PPS, the second sequence. From here, we can select our crossover frequency at which we want to shift from non-polarized sequence to pre-polarized sequence. Once we are sure that all parameters are correct and we are satisfied with the parameters, then we just have to press start button and the experiments will start to execute. From here, we can prepare a clean screen and you will see that instrument, the experiment has started. And from here, you can plot your NMRD profile. You can see your results in real time. Thank you. So at Stelar, we are committed to provide you instruments to perform NMR experiments for all kind of users, from basic experiments to and for researchers. And we are committed to provide you the best tools which will be really helpful and useful for your experiments. If you need for any kind of assistance, for any kind of sample testing, you can contact us anytime and we will be happy to help you.